Uncle Jasanib. Uncle Jasanib. Uncle Jasanib. Uncle Jasanib. Uncle Jasanib.
I am going to give you a brief idea about this plant. It's called Papyrus plant, and how the ancient Egyptian made the first paper in the history from this plant, like this in white sheet or like this in brown sheet. This plant holy plant in the ancient times for two reasons. The first reason, the flowers looks like sun rays, symbol of God Amun-Ra, the god of the sun. Second reason, the stem looks like, what's it like? What? Pyramid? Yeah, pyramid, symbol of eternity. After that, we cut the stem for size. If you need the big size or the smaller size. And we remove the outer green part, which was used for making sandals, mats, hats, and small boats. Yeah, please come closer, please. For making paper, we use the inner part. We cut the inner part into small slices, like this. This is easy to break because it contains 15% sugar and 50% water. For reducing amount of sugar and water, we use wooden hammer, like this. And rolling pin. Now the slice is obtained more than strong, flexible to roll. After that, we put it in the water. 6 days, you need white color, like this. If you need brown sheet like this, we put it in the water 2 weeks to activate the sugar with water. After 6 days, you bring 2 pieces of carpet and we arrange the slices on horizontal lines and vertical lines. One horizontal and one vertical, like this. And then we cover it and we put it under hand press machine. This machine, modern machine, but the ancient times were used big flat stone. The same times, also under hand press. If you need white color, 6 days. But if you need brown sheet, how many days?
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks. Yeah. After 6 days, the slice is obtained like this. Strong, flexible to roll. How we know the difference between the original paper and the fake paper seen in the street? The original paper under any source of light, you see the lines in vertical and horizontal lines. And we see the brown spot is the rest of sugar. But the fake paper may be banana leaf. We see the lines in vertical lines only or horizontal lines only, without any spot. And each painting here has a story, like this final judgment. You know this story?
Yes.
This story is considered the most famous story in the ancient Egyptian, because the ancient Egyptian would believe in second life after this. We see here number registers, they did 9 kneeling in front of 14 judges. 7 of them representing Upper Egypt and 7 of them representing Lower Egypt. They asked the man about first life. Like, have you killed anybody before? Have you hit your wife? So he replied, no. So 7 of them believe in him and given him key of life. And 7 of them didn't believe in him. So see your balance. God honor with the God of mummification, takes the heart of the man and put here the side. And the other side, the feather of God's man. If the heart of the man heavier than the feather, means he's bad man, he go to hell. But if the heart of the man lighter than the feather, means he's good man, he go to paradise. We see in paradise, God of Osiris sitting in his throne, and behind him his wife Isis, the goddess of beauty and love, and his sister Nephthys, the goddess of magic. This tree of life or tree of family, we see 5 birds, they representing 5 stages of human life. This is cartouche, only you can get between the ancient Egyptian writing name inside cartouche like this in relief. But now you have an artist, if you want to put it your name, just 2 minutes writing name. We see here 2 numbers. The first number is black numbers, modern numbers, the painting. Second number is prices in Egyptian pound. This is place government place. If you buy something, you get a grant certificate. We accept any kind of currency. It can be Visa card, MasterCard, credit card, dollar, euro. For transportation is YouTube. This trunk transportation, you can roll it inside you, like this. All of you have order card. If you want buy, give me please. If you want buy something, write an order card, the model number, how many pieces, and the prices. Thank you. Yeah.
Shukran.
Afwan.